More organizations are realizing they need to have a risk-aware culture within their organization from day one. So it's no longer how am I going to manage my risks after the fact, after I've implemented my new financial management application. It's how can I manage those risks as I'm going through my implementation and continuing the life cycle of the cloud. And so they want embedded activities into their overall ERP cloud or their financial cloud. There's really three things an organization needs to think about from a risk standpoint. It's how are you going to manage your users, segregation of duties, access to sensitive information. How are you going to go about monitoring transactions that those users are doing? And then the third level is how are you going to go and audit ERP cloud? Oracle Risk Management Cloud's the only products that's going to allow you to tie all three of those together and capture that in a centralized repository. Risk Management Cloud gives you the capability to monitor user access at the most fine-grained level, which allows you to control user access and reduce risks from sensitive access or SOD. You have the ability to pull up a visualization and pinpoint how your segregation of duties conflict is actually occurring in your system. Access certifications gives you the ability to automate those activities, automate the workflow with that. Risk Management Cloud gives you the capability to do a 100% audit, to monitor the action an individual takes, and more importantly, to be notified when a change occurs so you can take action as soon as possible. Prime example that I like to use, vendor-supplier bank account changes occur as normal course of business. If that same supplier or same vendor has a bank account changed, say 2 or 3 times within a 24-48 hour window, advanced analytics and risk management cloud will notify you of that change. So if it's a configuration change, being able to combine that with transactional information so you can see what transactions went through the application when that change was in effect. As new regulations come out, one of the critical activities in an audit organization or compliance organization needs to do is assessing those new compliance regulations. So Risk Management Cloud allows you not only to assess that new regulation or modified regulation, but also document the risks and the controls mitigating that risk within your organization and automating the workflow required to complete those tasks in a timely fashion. They can go into the system and be able to see how their organization is actually meeting different compliance requirements with those live dashboards. So not only your internal compliance organization can leverage that data, but also your external compliance or your external auditors. And the most critical business case when you're evaluating Risk Management Cloud is the ability to become more efficient and more effective.